Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 24th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the pound yen, I mean, we definitely did make a bearish candle engulfing down right at this possible key Fibonacci level. And if it really is the end of a wave B, this could potentially start a several-month downtrend. The whole thing is that there's zero proof that it's over. Just because you see one candle going down at a fib level that you're watching doesn't mean the trend has changed. What tells me the trend has changed is they break a structure or maybe like a very significant lower high, lower high. So right now we have to keep in mind there's a possibility that it just keeps going up because the weekly and the daily are definitely still in an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where you start to come up with some, bearish analysis because we definitely have one, two, three, four, 5 ways down with a break of structure. You would expect this to either be an A or one. You would expect this move up to be either a B or a two. Putting your Fibonacci retracement from here to here, you would watch your Fibonacci retracement levels, and if you do get like a nice, 3 wave counter trend move and a nice engulfing down at a fib level, it possibly could go down for either a C or a three. The problem I have with this analysis is that it's extremely counter trend. When you go down to the 1 hour time frame and start coming up with reasons to go short, but then the daily and the weekly are in very strong uptrends, oftentimes you're just setting yourself up for a losing trade. And what ends up happening is it just keeps on going up and up and up and up, which is why I still have a very hard time recommending shorts when the daily and the weekly time frame is still in such a strong uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.